Hello, my name is Teresa Wessel, and I am a fifth grade teacher. This is my sixth year teaching. The first highlight that I want to share with you is my technology philosophy. I started teaching in a district that had iPads one-to-one. I was so excited to have this technology that I could incorporate in my lessons and create fun activities with. But as a teacher, I realized that the training needed for the iPads wasn't available. It took me a long time to find ways to integrate the technology into lessons without it being busy work. My philosophy on education and technology is that simply having the device can be motivational, but creating meaningful lessons with the device is when the learning truly happens. If a device is used for every lesson, the value and excitement can be lost. Kids still need to have plenty of hands-on activities, and finding the right balance is important when using technology, especially at the elementary school level. The next thing I want to share with you are my videos. These are my training videos. The video I want to share with you is this one. It is my Google Classroom training with staff. During this training, I taught staff how to upload and give assignments through Google Classroom, and I also taught them the student's view when editing a PDF so that they can then help their students when they start assigning work to them. I am so thankful that I was able to do this training before our schools got shut down by the governor because of the COVID-19. Many of the intermediate teachers plan to use Google Classroom with their online learning platform. So I actually had a couple of teachers reach out to me asking for help, and some of them wanted the link to this video so they could use it as a reference. Without this training, many teachers wouldn't have had the basic knowledge for Google and Google Classroom especially, and wouldn't have known that I was a resource for them. So this training couldn't have happened at a better time. I'm also very thankful that I had the other two videos with my students because the videos showed them how they edit assignments and how to turn in assignments on Google Classroom as well. So I actually posted those on my Google Classroom, the link to the YouTube video, so that the students could then have that resource, and hopefully that would help with some of the questions they had when we transferred to online learning. The last section of my portfolio that I want to share with you is my additional resources page. When I first started Fort Hays State University, on the online platform, I had to use Google Plus Communities and post assignments from Google Docs. And I had hardly any experience with the Google platform at all, and I really struggled with my first few classes. I've grown to love Google, and I even did my entire professional development plan on incorporating Google into the classroom. So in my own class, I use Google Classroom, I use Google Slides, Google Docs, and Google Forms almost weekly. Another highlighted resource that I've gained from this program is ClassDojo. One of the great things about online learning is all the sharing that happens through the comments and the viewing of each other's work. That's been a great thing that I've gained from the program. So this is how I stumbled upon ClassDojo, was through commenting with a classmate. This app has been a game changer for my parent and family communication. It's a tool that actually was so successful that my district included it in our plan and highly encourages elementary teachers to use it. ClassDojo allows teachers and parents to private message me. So it's a communication tool. It also allows teachers, parents, and students to share on our class story. So it's amazing for communication, and now that we are going online, it's actually a resource that a lot of teachers are using to assign assignments and then have students take pictures and complete work that way. I never would have thought I would experience a pandemic like we have today. that schools would be closed and students would be learning online. This program and the resources that I've gained from it have made the transition to online learning easier and has given me the knowledge that I need to feel confident in the platforms that I am now having to use to teach. So I hope that you enjoyed the tour, and thanks for joining me.